First, a generous helping of olive oil. My blogging friend Beatley Pete knows that when any recipe calls for 2 cloves of garlic, I put in 10 for 5 times more of that great garlic flavor. I usually saute the garlic for 5 to 10 minutes to really help coax out all the flavor. And then I'm going to add that frozen hamburger and just bring it back to life. After the meat is cooked, I add the tomatoes, stir them in. I did drain most of the water out. And now I'm going to add the black olives, which I had sliced